Hello everyone, welcome to GEEKERMAG. In this video, we will be discussing about the Helldivers 2 and the FPS issue that gamers facing after installing the latest patch. But before we move forward, if you find this video useful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages us to create more similar videos. Arrowhead recently rolled out patch 01.000.300 with several adjustments, fixes, and improvements. Although it fixes various issues, some users report that after installing the latest patch, they are experiencing the low FPS or performance issues. Even at the lowest graphics settings, FPS is no higher than 27 to 30 FPS. As a result, the game becomes unplayable for them. The same issue is reported by other users as well. And if you landed on this video, it's possible you're facing the same issue. Unfortunately, it's an issue from the company end, and there's nothing gamers can do about to fix it. Also, as of now, there's no solution or workaround suggested by the other gamers to fix this issue. The good thing is that developers are aware of the issue and mentioned that their engineers are working on fixing the issue. So we hope that the developers will fix the low FPS issue in the next patch. In the meantime, if you're aware of any solution that helps in fixing the issue for you, then feel free to share in the comment for other affected users. For more updates from developers on this issue, check the blog post in the description. So that's all about this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for getting notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.